Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a handkerchief using the pattern or the instructions that were given by Classic Royalty. I will tag her below. So right now I'm just putting all the materials that you'll need, which is a yard of fabric, a ruler, scissors, and needles. So right here, this is the fabric. I've opened it up, and what I'm doing is I'm making sure it's even, and I'm going to measure out 10 across and 10 down, and this is just me showing you guys like how it's done before I cut out my square to make the handkerchief. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look. It's gonna be a perfect square. What you'll notice about this fabric is that on the inside, obviously the pattern is not on the inside, so what we have to do when we're sewing is put it right sides together and cut that piece of the square so that when we're sewing and we turn it inside out, we have it on the right side. So that's what I'm gonna do now, is go ahead and cut it right down the middle so that it'll be easy to sew. So now that I've cut that piece out and they're perfect, we're gonna put the pins in it just to keep it in place. You don't need to put too many. I'm only gonna put about 4 in here just to make sure it doesn't shift or move, but it is cotton, so I shouldn't really have any issues. And if you're somebody that's a beginner, this is gonna be the easiest way to make sure it comes out perfect, or close to it at least. Now that that's done, you're going to want to serge all around and leave one side open, so on 3 sides of the square. So here we're using my serger, and we're just going to go around in the square. So this is one side, and I'm going to continue and do it to 2 other sides of the square. Now that I've sewn all of the sides that I needed to, what I'm gonna do is flip it inside out, and you'll see it'll have the right sides will be showing, and we're gonna top stitch all the way around once we do that. So I'm just taking out those pins that I put in earlier because you obviously can't turn it with the pins, and then we're gonna just turn it inside out. Now personally, I did not measure, but if you are a beginner, it would be good to measure. I just simply folded it down, eyeballed it, and I am going to top stitch it with my regular sewing machine that I've shown you guys in a previous video. We will be top stitching all the way around, and that's what you'll see me doing here. So obviously just making sure it's even, making sure you're following whatever seam allowance you've chose all the way around. It'll make it much easier. But like I said, this is just my first time trying to do a handkerchief, so yeah, we're just gonna go with it to see if this is gonna be something that I'll add for the prom season for some of the guys. When you're done, this is how it should look. As you can see, you can fold it a couple times, at least 2 times, and it looks great. It was super easy to do. I would say it probably took me 10 minutes. So if you are a prom dress designer and you do some work for like guys or some embellishments or whatnot, this is something that I would definitely suggest that you can add as an add-on for those clients. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.